All right, so let's quickly run through one of these example calculations for the height of a boulder problem. So these guys collected data for pretty eyes, which is V2X, and we're kind of justifying the X on that, which means it's a really bad idea to climb this boulder. Okay? So what they found was that they got a triangle, and it was 6 feet from the rock, right, out to where they measured things, and it was 5.9 feet up from the ground to their protractor. And then they got an angle of 75 degrees. You guys see this? Okay, so what do they need?
Tangent, 75 degrees.
Okay, so they need tangent, 75 degrees.
And then they need to times it by 6 feet.
And they need to multiply by their 6 feet. And then they need to add 5.9. What are some words of warning that you have to be careful with doing this calculation?
Unit.
Yeah, you need to make sure that your units all match. So they can either be feet or inches, it doesn't matter which, but make them all the same, right?
Yeah.
So that's 5.9 feet. And then make sure what else?
It's your calculators in degrees or radians.
Yeah, make sure your calculator's in the right mode.
And approximately.
Yeah, and this is approximately. Okay, see that? So this is going to be your height, is approximately this. And you guys got what? What did you get out of this?
Yeah, it was like around 29.
28.3 feet, which is
Really?
really freaking high. Cool.
Yeah, sorry, I said.
You guys good with that? Kind of cool with this calculation? You guys think you can make these occasionally?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. The important thing, right, is that when you're trying to solve a triangle, that you just think, okay, I know an adjacent side, right? What side am I interested in knowing? The opposite. Okay, so tangents for me, right? If I knew the adjacent side and I was interested in the hypotenuse, because I wanted to know, how much guy wire it was going to take to hold this pole up or something, right? Then what would I be interested in?
Cosine.
Yeah, then I'd be interested in the cosine. Cool? All right, awesome. Thank you for that.